Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Today I'm going to be reviewing a brand called Peripera, which is a K-beauty brand. They generously sent me some items that I'll be explaining in the video, as well as I have purchased several items of theirs because I genuinely, with a whole heart, can say that I really like these products. However, I'm going to be reviewing the products they sent me, as well as seeing the different types of products. I'm already a huge fan of their lip stains, their velvet matte lip stains, and I've seen that they have different also products, so hopefully everything is going to work out. Don't forget to subscribe to me if you want to know anything more about Peripera and this review. Just keep on watching. So to start out, because I cannot emphasize it enough, always wear sunscreen. I mean, no matter what, if you're going to leave your house, always make sure to wear sunscreen, because that is going to be the key to anti-aging, and it's going to be crucial for your health and overall your skin, because our skin is super important. It's what covers our body, and also if you want to look young for a long time, sunscreen is the key to it, or one of the biggest keys. So I purchased the Sun Milk No Sebum Milk Sun Cushion from Peripera. I hope you can see it. I am sorry if you can't. I think you can. In Korea, the cushions are very popular. I think from what I've seen, the girls will place their fingers like this. And then, as you can see, this is not open. This is a little cover. And then you pop it off, and it's a little cushion, and it has the sunscreen. So I'm just gonna tap it. This is what I'm assuming you do. You get a little bit and then you place it on your face. Regardless, you don't have to obviously use a cushion sunscreen, just a sunscreen period. I use, as I've said before, my Neutrogena sunscreen, which is 70 SPF, because I want to look young for a long time. Now that I have my sunscreen on, I'm gonna now apply the face primer. It is the Blur Pang Milk Blur in the scent peach, or the flavor peach. It says that it has SPF 30 and that it tones up and has a CC effect. Not bad. Smells super good. I love peaches. I've actually been wearing this primer under my foundation for the past few days, and it's amazing, like amazing. I've really liked how it's made my skin look. So it's kind of thick, the consistency, and as you can see, my face is even lighter now than usual, and it's got some pink in it. I believe, if I'm correct, the pink is intentional to help, you know, color correct. See, my face looks a lot lighter than my hands and my arms, and my shoulders are lighter. Even though they're darker than my face, they're lighter than the rest of my body because I cover them still since it's winter. For foundation today, I'm using my winter color, which is Barcelona, the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Neutral. Now the Peripera Cushion Contour. So this is the color that it is. A lighter color, a lighter ashy-ish color. It's got more of a gray undertone, and this is gonna work perfectly to contour because of the gray undertone. This works for me right now. When I'm darker, I don't know how it will work, but I know that you can, because it's so creamy, so easy to blend. It's gonna work perfectly whether you want to put it, say, on your eyes or even on your face. Also, remember, this is a Korean beauty product. I don't know if in Korea there is as many undertones as it is over here in different skin colors. So I know that as they're breaking into the US market, I'm assuming they're going to expand the range of the colors, which is going to be great. And when they do, and when it's this quality, it's going to be incredible. Look how easy the application was. The cushion sponge, super easy to apply, and then I'm patting it out to blend, and it's amazing. Looks very natural. from another thing that I've observed right now, I think in style in Korea, or it's in style in Korea to look very natural, to kind of to have makeup where it's making everyone wonder, did she put makeup on? I know we're very different in the US, and I know also Latinas, for example, we love it to be noted that we're wearing makeup. For us, that's just something that we like. It is what it is. So this is very natural. Look at it. I mean, you could see that I'm contoured, but it's not, and in person it looks even more like, oh, it's barely there. And then with a sponge, it looks gorgeous. I guess the only complaint that I would have then, if I even have a complaint, is just maybe more colors of the contour, because the product is incredible, so easy to blend, and I quite frankly want everyone to be able to experience how good this product is. So if the shade range would increase, oh my gosh, you guys would love it. It's amazing. So now that I have put on color at the bottom and I've put a little eyeliner in my waterlines, I'm going to move on to their mascara. So I was sent 2 mascaras. This one I've tried and it was a little too light for my skin. However, I know that this is in style in Korea where they use different shades of brown for the mascara, at least from what I've seen. I tried to do some research before I did this video, before I received my gifts from Peripera. I like my mascara to be dark and to really bring out my eyes because I have very dark eyes. So I don't know how much I would use this one necessarily. However, I did really enjoy this one. I also like my lashes to be really dramatic, and I can see that this is a very natural mascara. So when I applied it and I wore it previously, it was very natural. It looked like, oh, I put some mascara on, just enough to enhance, but nothing like, whoa, she's got mascara, you can tell, you know? It was really nice and it was really lovely for, you know, every day. And when I barely had any makeup on, but I wanted to put enough to where it was like, oh, she's got some makeup, this was perfect for it. Peripera mascara, and this color is in number 2. I can't read the Korean, so I just saw the number and I'm assuming it's number 2. And look, as you can see, this is the brush, a little curve to it, and this mascara is a dark brown. So I'm going to apply it to my bottom line. Ooh, super nice. I have a little mascara there, but I'm gonna let it dry so I can brush it off. Whenever you do a little bit of mascara and you have a little mess up, before I used to seriously take off all my makeup and redo that part. Now you can just wait, or now I realize I can just wait, let it dry, and then you flick it off. That's so much better. Just don't touch it, leave it alone, let it dry. Let it be, and then just flick it off or brush it off with a brush. I've been reapplying throughout the video this Butter Pang from Peripera. It is so good, and it smells delicious. So good. I love lip products that smell really well, that smell really good, and like make you want to eat them. I don't know, it's weird I guess, but I just do. So I purchased 2 of their blushes. I purchased the Wonder Rose number 6. Wonder Rose number 6. And I also purchased the number 9 Emotional Dry Lilac. And the texture is so soft, it feels like you're touching a cloud. This is how I imagine clouds to be touching, like how the feeling. It's very velvety, it's super, very velvety, super creamy. Really nice. So this one is Wonder Rose now, the darker one. And this is Emotional Dry Lilac. And I'm going with this one for this look. Take this, and I'm going to rub it in here. This is how I'm going to apply it today. Just like the contour with the cushion. I'm gonna apply, just dotting it. Ooh, I'm gonna use my finger. Then my other face side. Ooh, put a lot there. I'm gonna see how it looks with the sponge, pushing it out. I'll put a little on my nose, a little right here, up to the eyebrow, in. Moving on to all of their lip products that I have, but the thing is I can't put them all on because they are such good lip stains. The minute I apply one, it's on for the day, and it's gonna change the look for every other lip that I put on, or lip product that I put on. Peripera INK Velvet, because they have an AIRY INK Velvet and then they have an INK Velvet. So this is the AIRY one. This one doesn't stain as intensely as the INK Velvets do, but it lasts long. It just doesn't stain as intensely, like you can be able to wear a different color later on. So in conclusion, what do I have to say about Peripera and the brand's products? Well, for starters, I loved every single thing. I thought everything was great. If I had to say what did I like the most, it would be most definitely the lip stains. I have been using these religiously since I first purchased them. I use them almost every single day, and I'm not exaggerating when I say that. I also really liked the primer, and I really liked both the contour and the highlight. Honestly, everything I was given, I loved. And I've been loving. I mean, I use this one almost every day. I take it with me everywhere. If I had to say a least, it would probably be the mascara. And hear me out. It's not that it's a bad product. It's an excellent product, and I'm just saying if I had to say something that's the least. Because I love my eyes very dramatic, as you can tell. I like my mascara to be just as dramatic, so that would be the only complaint. But even then, the mascara is excellent. I really like it, and I have used it before, and I've used it multiple times, so I'm not gonna say I didn't like it and I hate it and stuff like that. It's just if I had to say what did I like the most and what did I like, but like I wouldn't go out of my way to be buying, or you know what I mean? Like if I had to say like if I like something the least, if I had to. Overall, I think the products are excellent. I think the quality is amazing. I think they're easy to blend out. I think they're very creamy, hydrating. Just everything that I've read about K-Beauty, I think Peripera embodies it. I will continue using Peripera. I think it's great. Thank you so much, Peripera, if you ever see this video, for sending me these products. I absolutely love them. I think your company is wonderful. You have great quality products. I will continue using Peripera products because I have enjoyed every single thing I've received from there. So my beautiful friends and those who are watching and everyone in between, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and check out all of my other videos. And if you're not new, thank you so much for staying here till the very end. I really hope you like this video. If you have any other questions or want to see any other type of video, please let me know. Let me know in my comments. Let me know on my Instagram. Thank you so much once again for being here. I will see you next time, and I will talk to you later. Bye.